Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your Monsieur Cuisine Smart stuck on a firmware update. If your Monsieur Cuisine is stuck on a firmware update for longer than half an hour and nothing is changing on the screen, then you may want to start doing something about it, because if it's either something is changing, something is loading, like actually there's like a bar that loads or the screen is turning on, off and stuff like that, then it's okay. And if it's for over than half an hour, then you may want to first of all try to restart your device by switching the switch on the right side off, then waiting half a minute and switching it on like that, then waiting to turn it for it to turn on. Once it turns on, make sure that your router is close enough to your device and try retrying an update. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.